Hi guys! I just want to share what am I using every day here in the US. Magugulat ka kasi I don't know na kung may nabibili ito dito. I'm using this Beauty Derm products from the Philippines. Maganda kasi siya sa skin at saka sobrang tatanggal niya talaga yung mga dead skin natin. So, I'm using the toner. I'm using the night cream. Tatlong package siya. Yan. The reason why I'm sharing this, guys, is kasi maganda yung effect niya sa akin. I am not vlogging this just to sell this product, but I'm sharing this product for you guys just to try it. Lalo na yung may mga konting acne dyan. Try it. Maganda talaga siya.